Hi everybody, I'm Susan from LV & More. Happy Thursday. It's getting a little chilly now in Harrison. It was really super hot and now it's starting to get cloudy, rainy. So we'll see what happens for the weekend. Alright, this is just a follow-up video on the mistake that was made by LV Repair. It does happen from time to time, especially if it's a new person. They don't really know what's going on. So if you had any experience like that, please leave them below. Because the LV experience is kind of fading. It's not really the best like it used to be. So hopefully they'll improve their customer service. I hope. But, you know, it happens. Alright, so anyways, I have an unboxing. It came from the Edmonton LV store, and hopefully it's what I think it is regarding my previous luggage tag that had patina on it. I was told by the SA that the new luggage tags are coming out with a little bit of patina. It's some sort of coating. So I was kind of new to that. I don't know if you guys experienced anything like that. If you have, leave your experiences below so other people can learn. It helps everybody because I had no idea. And so anyways, they apologized for the mistake, which was nice. And hopefully this is the follow-up to the previous luggage tag. So let's go ahead and get started. It came FedEx. Okay. And let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Alright, got some bubble wrap. I got a box. And I got a very small, I never seen one this small. Has anyone else? Alright. Wow, this is really small. Okay, little shopping, but this is really tiny. It's like only that big. Okay, that's a good one. Alright, the box, and let's see what's in the box. Okay, it's a box with a drawstring. So it's not a flap over. So that's fine. So basically the dust cover was missing from my previous luggage tag and there's still no ribbon. So I guess you can only do what you can do. Alright, so go ahead and like, subscribe. And if you have any comments below, please leave them, as I read every single one and I do appreciate it. And subscribe if you have a chance. Alright, thanks again for watching LV & More. Have a good day. Bye guys.